on Adobe Express. Now today we are going to check on how to create some festival post and how to create some of event posters that you are organizing some event in your institute or on a nearby areas, or you want to wish on some of the festivals to your friends and family. So how you can make it a bit of creative with your specialized messages. You can add on your special messages for your relatives, for your friends, and you can share it to them. So we will start with first we will start with the festival post, or I'll share my screen and you will able to see the details. So we are now we are coming to our Adobe Express, and you can, as I've show you yesterday, here is a plus sign. So from the plus sign also you can access that, and from here also that start your from your content, you can start from that also. I'll go to the plus sign, and as you can see we have some custom size. So I'm taking the portrait size for this, so that for the portrait size, if you want to share this image on a WhatsApp to your family groups, so this is a size of, this will be a size of your phone screen, or this will be a size of your WhatsApp status, Instagram story, Facebook story, and different stories size. And if you want to share on your Facebook and Instagram, you want to post it, then choose this square size. Right now we are taking this portrait size for our design. So you can see this here, we have a one canvas means where we are going to create the design. So right now we are going to create a Navratri post, because in a few days the festival in half of the India, Navratri is coming, and half of the India there is a Durga Puja is coming. So on that note, if you want to start share something related to Durga Puja with your friends and families, or you want to wish them, so we'll start with the Happy Navratri post, or you can search on a Durga Puja also. You can see this when I search on Happy Navratri, you can see this the second template which is shown by Adobe Express is Shubh Durga Puja. So you can use these template also. You can see this, they have another Durga Puja template also, and they have some other templates also related to the Navratri and related to Durga Puja. And you can see this, they have a multiple festival post, even Ganesh Chaturthi or Shravan, for Shravan can they might have, because this is an international, so they will have some of the spelling problems also in this, but you can change it according to your Shubh Navratri, Ram Navami, and the Dandiya night. If our institute where we are teaching to other peoples, they are planning Navratri, you can use such posters. Or you want to wish to your friends the after Navratri that Diwali is coming. In Diwali there are days, Dhanteras, Diwali, Bhai Dooj, everything is coming, so you can just search here, or even you can generate template with AI, and I'll show you some generated template on Happy Navratri. It will take a little bit of time according to the network or according to the content to search the exact content for you. So you can see this, they are giving us some of the templates here, or you can generate more also. If you don't like these template, you can generate more also in a generative AI. So now I'm not waiting for more templates. You can see this. They are giving us a different more templates. They are already giving us there. This is a Navratri passes a design. You can see this the right hand side of where my cursor is Navratri festival posters related to Navratri. They're giving us multiple designs here, and you can see this. You can even change it here, size for your, or you can upload some image and you can ask them to generate from this template. So yes, so I'll just take one of the template and I'll show you what you can do it. So as per this, I'm just taking the first template which is provided here in Adobe Express. You can scroll it down for the template, and you can even make a filter. If you are using the free tool, you can even select it here that show me only free templates only. So they are going to show you the free templates only. If you are not happy, you can even choose. You can see this. You can even choose the Hindi font. They are giving us a Hindi text. So now this is a video formation. This is a video formation which we are going to take up in a next day session. So we are not watching this, but I'm just showing you. They are giving you the Hindi text also, and you can see this. They are giving us a different creatives on the text also. You can see this, that different type of fonts are provided here, recommended fonts which you can use. If you don't like this font, you can change some creative Hindi fonts also. As I'm showing this, especially because we are uh, living in India, and India Hindi is our national language, and so for that, to show people that you are able to create a design in different language, you can even select this. In Adobe, they have some Hindi fonts also. You can see this. They have here also, and they have a view more sections also. They have a really creative and different fonts for the Shubh Navratri. And below Shubh Navratri, you can put your customized message to them. So now we are just going back to our template section, and we are just choosing this poster design on Happy Navratri, and you can see this. They have a different effect, and everything is 90% of the things is provided here. Now, one more thing is, if you want to make a customized post, okay, if you are downloading from the Google that Happy Navratri post and everything, they might have something watermarks or logos or something like that in it. So what I'll do is, I'm going to show is, I'm just changing a size of this text little bit. I'm taking this a little down. Make sure there should be some space between text and the image which is provided here. I'm just changing a little bit of size to add something, and you can see this when you drag this, the purple lines are guiding you that when the line is coming in a center, that means your content is already in a center line. So I'm just taking this Happy Navratri details a little bit of down, and what I'll do is, I'll go to the brand section again, and if you have added things, you can work on this. I'm going to the brand section, and you can see this. I'm just adding my logo here, and you can see this, the logo image is in a square size, but I can change that also. And you can just clicking alter and scrolling from your mouse, you can just zoom in and zoom out with the control plus and control minus also, and I'll just select the area, so it will give me an easy access of the logo. I've just crop it. And there is one more thing which I can do for this post is, You can see this. I've just click on the colors, my brand colors, and the screen have changed all the colors in the design. This is a quick action. If you have added your favorite colors or your chosen color palette in the brand section, you can do this. You can see this, the whole post is changing in my brand colors, in my special colors. So you can do this also just with the one click. You just need to go to the brand. For that, when you open this template, you just need to go to the brand and select your own brand and select your palette. And you can I'm just clicking one more time, and you can see this, the design is changing the colors according to that. You can see this, they are just changing whole color palette of the design. And you can see this, if you want to make a bit of changes, I want to make this font readable, so I'll change this color again on the blue, so it will be readable. Now I don't like this message, I want to add some other message. So what I'll do is, I've shown you one more website yesterday. The name is pinterest.com. I'm just coming to the home page and I'll share you this link in our chat box, so you can able to check this pinterest.com. And I'm coming back to, and you can type it here, happy Navratri wishes or happy Navratri quotes. You can see this quotes in Hindi, quotes in English, quotes in Gujarati and Sanskrit, and in a different way they are giving us a quotes. And you can just check here, and they are giving us a lots of beautiful messages which you can write it down with your happy Navratri post. You can see the here is a quote: may Ma Durga's blessing be with you always. You can make it special on that, or what you can do it here is happy Navratri wishes. You can just Google it here, and when you scroll it down, you can see this. We have a multiple website. When you go on this, any of the website from this, what you can do is you can see this. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this thoughtful happy Navratri wishes, traditional happy Navratri wishes, famous Navratri quotes. You can see this, and we are just taking one of the quote from here. We will just select this, copy, and we will paste it in this text. We will select the whole text with the control A and we will copy it here. Now I'll just change the size little bit so it will fit on the text. And you can see this, I have just changed it. For this, I'm sharing you this link also, or you can just Google for any of the festival. You can Google it here. This is about the Navratri, and you can see this. I'm just write it down, Durga Puja wishes, and you can see this. They have really beautiful templates here, and they have these websites also. They have these beautiful website, and you can click on any of the website and you can check on these websites. They have a beautiful wishes, especially on Durga Puja. They have a beautiful designs also. You can select one of the design and you can create it by yourself also. About the Durga Puja, you can take it from here and it is write it down also here, so you can copy from here and paste it on this. So now we have created this design, so we are going to take this untitled section on happy Navratri post. We will save this section as Happy Navratri post, and you can even change this fonts also. You can select other fonts which is from your font section for Happy Navratri, and you can change that also. You can take other creative fonts from here, and you can change that also. And if you don't like, and coming back to this design, I've just click on a Control Z or Command Z if you are using Apple products. MacBook, you can click on Control Z, Command Z, and in Windows laptops or a system, you can do Control Z. So you can see this on a recommended fonts also. They have a really beautiful and creative fonts is provided here. And as per that, if you are not happy with the fonts and if you want to explore some of the fonts, you can use Adobe fonts also. Adobe fonts are free downloaded. You can Google this Adobe font also. To select your font, Adobe have a multiple font, and I will request you to use the account which you are using for the Adobe Express. Use that account, similar account for the Adobe fonts, and you will get here a multiple creative fonts. You can even here you can just search here the some creative fonts, and they will give you a different creative fonts here. You can use these multiple fonts, and when you see this, they have a 3 font, 8 fonts, 4 fonts. That means I'll just show you in this 8 font section. When you click on this, they have a thinner fonts also, and they have a thick fonts also. And these kind of fonts, you can see this, they have a multiple variations for the font. So you can use this font, the thicker fonts for your titles, and you can use a medium regular font for your regular text or paragraph text in your designs. And even the I'll share you this Adobe font link also with everyone, so you can access this Adobe font also. And there is one more is called Google font. Google also have their own font families and font styles. You can just come to the Google font, and they will give you a here a similar or different fonts, or you can just filter it here, the kind of fonts you want. Feeling you can just I'm just making some of the. You can see this when I click on some of the styles, I'm just checking it. And you can see this, they are just changing the styling of the fonts. You can just explore from here, and I'll share you this also on a chat box, this link also. So anyone can browse with this link, or you can search on your Google fonts, your wishes. And we are just coming back to the home page. So you can see this, my Navratri post is ready. Now, what you can do is from this post, you can click on, when you click on the share button, okay, right now it's not Navratri, okay. So what I can do is, you can share on a multiple variations. You can see this, they have an option of scheduling a post. You can see this in this device, my social media and everything is open right now. It's not Navratri, but I want to make sure that on the first day of Navratri on 8 o'clock, my all the relatives will get this, can see around. You can see this schedule post on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, Twitter, and Pinterest and LinkedIn. They are giving us the option. You can just click on the schedule. You can write it down your caption, what you want to write it down in your caption. We can just copy and paste, the text we have given in this, or we can write it down something else what we are feeling it, and you can here take your time or take your space and write it down and hello everyone, am I audible to you? Can anyone let me know that am I audible or not? Thank you so much.
Now,
Yeah, I'm.
now it's audible.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just because of the glitch. Yeah, so you can schedule your post, and you can share your post on a social media. The design you have created, you can just with from this platform, you can just directly share or schedule your post on the social media. That is one thing which we have seen, and I'm just, or you can just click on the download, and you can see this they are giving us. I'm just downloading it and a jpg form, and you can see this you want a here is, if you are using another canvases, they are giving us option, and you just need to download it from here. We will check on the download section of it. Okay, it is not downloaded here. Oh yes, it is completing the process. You can see this. You can see this, it completed the process, and you can see this. Even you can see this, this design is coming on the Instagram post, on a flyer, Facebook post size. They are giving us a different size for it. Instagram square flyer size and the Facebook post size, different size. They, you can access that also. I'll just let us let it download the file, and I'll show you that how it is downloading the file. I guess it is taking a time because of the network issues right now. So you can just create your own design and check it how it is going. I'm just, let me refresh the page, and we will see the process. So while adding your logo or adding your name or adding your family name, you can even here I've added the Cremar logo, the my company logo, on behalf of the on replacement of the company. You can write it down your family name also here, that if you're right now my family name, my surname is Pathak, so I can write it down here. I'll just delete this, and I'll what I'll do is coming back to the text. Yes, so here is add text, and you can see this the box of add text is here. I'm taking that box on the here, and I'll write it down. Pathak family wishing happy Navratri, and you can even change these fonts. Coming back to this font, which I use for my other designs. And you see this, the fonts are changing here. I'll change here also. Just make sure in between that I'm just changing size of the text. So make sure that there is a space between some design or between some elements. So we are changing this font on size also. So that happy and happy is because it is merging and it is cutting from here. So I'll just change the size of it, and I'll make sure it is make it coming little down. So you can just make some of the changes like this in your designs, and you can just save your designs or you can download it from here. So now we are adding one more add page. I'm just adding one more page on the same. You can just check it same size or custom size. I'm just taking a same size page, and you can see this. The first page is here, and second on the down screen you can see this. The first page is already here, and second page is here. Now on the second page we are just creating one of the poster for your design for we are creating a poster for the multiple events which is coming in institute or any of the colleges. So I'll just you can see this on a pinterest.com. I've for example to show you, I've just click on the college event posters, and you can see this. They are giving me a really beautiful designs here. So I'm just selecting one design from here, and we are trying to create that same design. And yes, we were downloading that design. So yes, we are giving it yes, and we are selecting that we want to download it in Instagram post. And you can see this there it opening again on the another page, because we have not created Instagram post, but we have selected to download it as Instagram post. So they are just giving you on another page to added something which you want to add or you want to share it. So they are giving us on Instagram post. So I'll just close it, and we are coming back to here for our handcraft fair poster. So for that, we will come to the media section and we will search for handcraft image, image related to handcraft. We will search for that and we will see the result. What result Adobe Express is providing us. It is taking us some time, so I'll just again check on my network and I'll okay. So we'll click on the view all and check. They are just giving us a lots of images related to handcraft, but that images are not on the size we are using. We will just check on scroll, or you can generate. You can see this the portrait size I'm choosing to generate image in AI, and I'll let AI knows that I want in a photo formation, or you can just click on the auto that what Adobe Express is providing. And we are just waiting for the result here. It is taking a little bit of time because right now I guess I'm having some of the network issues, but yeah, there is some of the and even I'll just change a little bit prompt because I want to create a poster with the background. So I suggest them to provide me with the white background so I can use that image on the background formation. And you can see this, they have given us some of the result, and I want to ask them to generate some more images, or I can use this image as my design like this. I'll just drag this on the upper section a little bit. And what I'll do is now I'm going to element section, because this image and the other background is pure white and this image have some grayish formation. So what I'll do is I'm coming to the element section. I'm choosing the element, and you can see this with the one click we have a one element is here, and we are adding this square here, and now we are changing the color. We are changing the colors. We are coming to the custom size, and we are you can see this this is a field option and there is a pen here. So I've selected on the pen and I'm coming back to this section, and I'm just selecting the color from the corner of the square, and you can see this it is almost merging it with your background. And I'm just selecting again, and I'm hello. uh Nigar Ahmed sir, your mic is on. Can you please mute your mic? Nigar sir, please mute your mic. Hello sir.
स्ट्रगल तो किया लेकिन एक को भी मुस्लिम वो नहीं दिया इस्लामिक हो सब हिंदू
Thank you sir. Yes, so we are just taking this square is here, and you can okay. So here, this is the I've taken a similar color, and I'll just take this image in the background, and you can see this in some of the manner it is merging the image. Or there was a one question which how to remove the background, or you can do one thing is you can just select this image. I've selected this image, and you can see this when I click on the image, they're giving us some of the effects, and you just need to click on remove background option, and we will see the result what Adobe Express is providing us. And you can see this that we just have this much image, except other things was on a background. So I'm just letting you know that the it is just changing the remove the background from the image, or you can add it a background, or if you want they have removed the background, or now I can add it some other things and some other details. You can see this they have a multiple circle shapes here. They have a different shape is provided here. So accord I'll check some of the circle shape for my own design, and I'll select this one shape here. I'm just not creating the same design, but I'm just making some of the little change. I'll change the color of the design according to my brand colors. And I'm changing the background color also as per my brand color. And you can see this, we have a square option here where I can put the other details. And now we are taking some more square options for the photos. And you can see this when I have here is the square options also. So before showing to show this, I'll give the border to this square. And what I'll do is control C, control V, and it will copy that object. And I'm just placing it. And you can see this, they are just guiding me to make some placements on the center sections or on the proper sections. If I'm clicking dragging it with the cursor, they are just showing me that between two circles it will have the similar size or not. They're just giving me, and I'm checking here. And now I'm coming to the media section again, and I'll check some of the image related to similar topic. I'm just taking some random images, and you can see this when and you can add on these images on the different shape also. We are just trying to add on some images in it. We are just taking that options, if we have option from here to add on that images in this shape. And you can see this, they are giving us a option to edit these images here, change the shape of the image, and you can place it here. They're not giving us an option to adjust this image on the square size, but they're giving us an app option to adjust this images according to the styling. And you can see this, they are giving us a lots of different image options also here. Or you can check here also, quick replacement, bulk created. When you click on the bulk, they will create designs in a bulk. You just need to upload some designs. I'm just coming back to here because I'm going to show you on the next session. Quick replacement is here, bulk design is here. Okay, there is some glitches coming here in the Adobe Express because yeah, here is our design because we are creating an Happy Navratri post folder only. So yes, here is our design. So you can just put some more photos like this here, and you can add on by adding your text in this posters, or you can create similar poster to this, or you can create a more posters. So I'm just giving you a random ideas that you can create your designs on the random size. Also you can change the theme of the uh, designs. Also you can change the background color, and of course we are exploring these other elements also on the next session. So as per our running time, I'm just stop sharing my screen, and I'm opening this time for the question and answer. If anyone have any of the question regarding this question session, and yes, tomorrow again I'm taking a little bit of time, and I'm showing you this poster section again because of some network glitch. There was some issues in the network, and you might wouldn't be able to see this. So I'll give you a quick review on the poster design tomorrow also. But before that, I'm opening the session for the questions. So anyone have any of the questions? You can unmute your mic and ask the question also, and you can even write it down on the chat box. I'm open for the chat box, and you can ask me on the chat box also. Yes, Harsh sir. Sir, when I've already show you on the session, and you can select any of the image, and when you come to the image section in the Adobe Express, when you are, I'll again share my screen, and I'll show you that you don't need to manually select the option and select the design. You can see this. I've already removed this background in this image, or when I'm selecting on this image, you can see this. There is an option. That option is on the left hand side, remove background. You just need to click on that option, and it will take a few minutes, a minute of a time to remove the background, and it will help you to remove the background.
Yeah, but there are some glitches on the sides of the image when you remove the background. How do I clear that? Like it's usually blur.
Sorry.
When I use that tool to remove the
Hmm?
background, when I use that tool to remove the background, sometimes some images leave a blur line. It does not get removed completely, but it diffuses some edges of the image. How do I rectify that?
Okay. So to rectify the edges, I'll just click on that. You can see this. If the image is proper, the image I have selected from the generative AI, that image was a HD image. So you can see the edges of this image. They are the sharper image. So at that time, selecting an image, you need to make sure that, and if there is any of the elements which is here, so you can come to that remove the object option. You can come to the remove object option, and if you have any of the object nearby image, you can remove that from here. Are you getting my point, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So when you need to while selecting an image, you need to make sure that your image is high definition image. Maybe there was some of the problem in your image also, and I'll check as per your question. I'll check on it one more time, and I'll come back to your detailed answer. with it on tomorrow also, sir. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
it.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other questions? I'm again asking if anyone have any of the questions, feel free to ask. You can ask in the chat box or you can unmute your mic and you can ask your questions. We are waiting for 1 more minute for the questions. Again asking, is there any question? Okay, great. Oh, okay. So how to use already designed image from another flyer to new one? Okay, great question. So you can just I'll share my screen again, and you can see this. I have already taken this image. I'm creating a some Navratri poster. So I'll open this, open that template is here, or that design is here if I'm selecting from Adobe Express. Okay, so if that image is here, I can select this image, Control C, and I've opened another page. And I'll just copy on that another page, and your image will be here if that image is provided here. Or if you have image in your device or any of the website, like this image is here. So what I'll do is I can copy this image from here, and we can see this, that image is coming on. I'm seeing this Control C and Control V. This image is here. And if even if you can do this, you can save this image if you want to, because for sometimes as a agency to show our client from where we are downloading the image, we need to download that image in a device. So I've downloaded this image, and you can see this. We have an option here near to the brand. We have option here, upload, and we are uploading from the device. You can upload from your device, and I can see this. This is my image which I've downloaded right now, and I can just paste it here. And if that image is on any of the other templates, you can see this. I'm coming back to the template option, and you can see this. This is art and craft template, and I can see this. I've just opened this template, and you can see this, add as a page or start a new file. So I'll just add it as a page, and it is taking us a bit of time because of the some network glitch I have. So you can see this image is here, and I want to use this for my poster. So I'll just select this image. For that, you need to check out the keyframe is here. Just Control C, and coming back to my poster design, I've just delete this images which is here. Now I want to use that image. So I'm just coming here on the control V. Uh, Praveena ma'am, did you get the idea what I've shown you? You just need to open that as a page, that template in your file, and you can select that image, and then you can do control C and control V. That is the simple and easy process to copy that same image in your poster. Okay, ma'am. Please try and do let me know if you get any of the ideas. Please elaborate me when you try it. Please elaborate me that how you try it, and let me know so I'll get the idea that what exact issue you are coming at. Any other questions? Okay. So as there is no question, so I'm ending the session of today here. And thank you so much for joining this session. Have a great evening and good night to everyone. Enjoy and please try and explore the tools which I've shared it with you. Thank you so much. Good night.